In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Salesforce logo, brand, and colors to better reflect your company's identity. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or align your Salesforce instance with your corporate branding, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, take a look at your Salesforce interface and locate the gear icon in the top right corner. This little gear is your gateway to a wealth of customization options within Salesforce, so go ahead and give it a click. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Setup. This action ushers you into a more comprehensive set of options where you can dive deeper into customizations. Once you're in the Setup area, direct your attention to the top of the sidebar. There's a quick find search box, a handy tool for navigating large menus. In this box, type in Themes and Branding. This search function efficiently guides you to the right spot for making changes to your visual elements. In the search results under User Interface, you'll find the Themes and Branding option. Click on it to proceed. Now that you've arrived at the Themes and Branding section, the next step is to establish a new theme. Find the button labeled New Theme and click on it. This is where you'll work your magic, tailoring a variety of visual elements to align them with your company's needs and branding. In the Theme Edit screen, you will encounter several fields and options for customization. Begin by assigning a unique name to your new theme. This name acts as an identifier, especially if you think you might be creating multiple themes in the future. Next up is the brand image. You'll have the opportunity to upload your custom logo here. Once uploaded, this logo will prominently appear in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface, keeping your company's branding visible for all users. Moving along, you'll find options for brand colors. This section allows you to pick hex colors for aspects like the global header, the page background, and action colors. Selecting colors that resonate with your brand standards can significantly enhance the user experience by ensuring visual cohesion. Additionally, there's an option to set a loading page logo. This logo appears during page loading, offering another chance to reinforce brand visibility during those brief transitions. For an added touch of personalization, consider replacing the default avatar image with something more fitting for your organization's style. Although this step is optional, it adds an inviting personal touch. Moreover, you can choose a default banner for groups or user profiles, promoting a harmonious look across the platform. Once you are content with your customizations, hit Save. This step ensures that all the configurations you've made are safely stored. Lastly, don't forget to click Activate in the top right corner to implement your new theme settings. By activating, your Salesforce interface will now reflect all your thoughtful branding customizations. There you have it. With these steps, you've successfully tailored your Salesforce instance to better match your company's visual identity.